Hello, good evening, everyone. I want to introduce you to another episode of how to make passive income online. Please, here on the screen, you can see that we have a new company that I've been working with for a period of time now, and I think this is an opportunity for all of you to make passive income online. Now, this company gives an opportunity for everyone to benefit. I want to use this opportunity to say a big thank you to all those who have the opportunity to click on my follow button, who have been following me on Instagram and on YouTube. I really appreciate your comments and your likes and also your follow. Please, if this is your first time watching my videos, I advise you also to click on the follow button on Instagram and click on the subscribe button and like button on YouTube so you can be seeing all the various steps that I take in making passive income online. I'm not a financial advisor, but I am an individual like you who have been struggling on how to make passive income online. But today, by His grace, I was able to find out seven legitimate way you can make passive income online. And here we are, a new one, a company we call a New Millennium Center Limited. This company that has been founded in 2011 up to this very date, the company has been functioning. This company is located in Cyprus, and we can call it an international company. It gives the reason of this company is that they gives opportunity for individuals like you and I to invest. This investment requires you investing your money into a platform, a series of platforms that when after investing the money, you get registered into this platform. And in that platform, you are advised to introduce two people to register under you. Now, let me tell you what people would think about is why are this company giving you an opportunity to invest? This company, when it started in 2011, they don't give an opportunity for individuals like you and I to invest because they base in real estate. They buy big buildings, they build and they sell, and they also rent these buildings to other people. That is how they generate their funds. They also generate their funds also through the internet. They have also a platform they use in generating funds through the internet. I'm going to be talking deep into that. I want to cover a general aspect of this due to the limited time we have on this video. So after inviting two people, let me tell you, when you invite two people to register under you, those two people will also have their own chain. No, these people are using, this company is using what we call the, well, I say the blockchain, just like the Bitcoin, they use the blockchain also. So you are called to invite two people after you register. After you invest and register, they give you, the company gives you a specific appointment, a specific a space for you to invite two people. The two people you invite under you will be registered under you, and that moves you up the ladder to a different category. Now you have your own chain. Why the two people who you are invited has to invite other two people. Now it's like a pyramid. You guys grow together. Now let me go strictly into, you can see this is my account. This is all my information here. There is nothing I am involved into this company. Now, New Millennium Center Limited. New Millennium Center Limited is an international company registered in March 24th, 2011. Headquarters in Republic of Sinai, which is Cyprus, given at Victoria. So the president of the company is a successful person with the vast experience in real estate investment around the world, Mr. Alfred Victor Brewster. The company New Millennium Center successfully developed two business areas: real estate and everything connected with it, internet business, charity around the world. The direction is not a business. Now, charity is not a business, we all know, so they're based in real estate and internet business. During this short period of time, our company established itself as a stable, honest leader, tuned into the success and developed of not only the company, but also partners. We are proud of our partners, their achievements, and we we always provide each partners with the prospect of growth, not only in material terms, but also in personal growth. For successful development of the business, high-level employees were selected for the company, highly qualified specialists with cluster knowledge in the areas we needed were selected. Now you can see the two aspects based on real estate and international business and internet business. Sorry to say. So in the next video, I'm going to be going deep into the informations on how and what you need to do. But this is a legitimate company that has been existing for a period of time now. You can see this expanse of years they have been working, and people have been generating passive income through it. I have invested approximately $170 into this company, that at the end of the day, I have seen proofs and people who have generated passive income from it. They also use their money in buying real estate. Now, your $170 you invested in this company will grow to become $776,000 in return. But what you have to do, you have to involve, you have to work, you have to invite people in order to grow. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the next video. I'm going to be telling you more about this company. I hope you loved it.